Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can customize subtitle appearance in Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app, or you can go with your Netflix website and then just log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to the profile you use towards the Netflix, and then what you need to do is, firstly, you will be in this particular platform. From here, what you need to do is just go to the right corner to your profile button and then go to account. From there, once you're over here, you'll be going on your left hand side to the profiles, and then scroll a bit down, just go to your profile and then scroll a bit down again until you find this subtitle appearance. Just go with it, and then over here you can customize your appearance. So you can change your font, you can change the size of the text, you can choose the shadow you want, and just press on save. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.